Hi, I'm Izzy Christiansen and these are the 5 things I love about my Ford Kuga. Number 1, I absolutely love the exterior. I think the solar silver colour is really classy and I think it looks great. Number 2, the winter pack within the car. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. And there's heated seats for everyone in the car as well, even in the back. And that is super cool when it's cold. Number 3, I absolutely love the panoramic roof. So you can open it like this to let in all the light. And then when it's hot, you get this open and you get a tan as you're driving. Number 4, I love the tech inside the car. The digital dashboard is great and Apple CarPlay means I can plug my phone in and the drive is pretty smooth. Been listening to Incy Wincy Spider and nursery rhymes. Not embarrassing at all. Number 5, I love the way the boot opens. Keeping up my football skills. Off to work.